Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I would like to encourage you all to take our latest groundbreaking course on Islam and feminism. It provides a brief but in-depth understanding of this sensitive topic by a master of the field, Dr. Zeenath Kauthar. She remains one of the few Muslim experts on feminism and has been teaching this subject in gender studies for over 20 years. The course answers vital questions which are current, like was Prophet Muhammad a feminist? Or does Islam support feminism? As well as fundamental questions like what is feminism? This short course is extremely important for all those involved in dawah and dealing with female issues from an Islamic perspective. So don't delay. Sign up today, as there's not very much to pay. Barakallahu fikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.